it's me Hasna and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one. I'm gonna do my room tour. Yes, you all heard it right, my room tour. Shall we get started? This is my room, my little space in my home. I feel really comfortable here. As you can see, it's a small and neat room with decent space and with solid, thick and classic wooden furniture. I love this room very much. As you can see, there are two twin beds which are identical. There is a chest of drawers in the middle where I keep my school books. This drawer has A4 sheets, color papers and extra books including stickers. The top one has some of my most favorite games like, let me show you all. Sudoku. This one is a really fun number game. The next one up is Jenga blocks. This game can be played up to 2 to 5 players. Here are the Jenga blocks as you can see. The next one up is Scrabble. This is one of my favorite games. This set includes a board and alphabetic tiles. This board has 2 levels. One is senior and one is junior for small children. This is Surah Al-Fatiha flashcards games. It is an interactive way of learning Surah Al-Fatiha. I teach my brother using these flashcards. There are 8 ways to play it. This is the classic chess game with magnetic board and magnetic pieces. This is the Rubik's Cube, and let's end up with the Uno cards. These cards are actually my favorite too. The next location is my writing desk where I sit down for writing and studying. This is my family picture. It is very close to my heart. We captured it during our trip to Malaysia in 2018. This one, my mom has stuck a couple of important supplications for me to memorize. My wardrobe, big and spacious, where I keep my clothes. This is the drawer where I keep my school uniforms, my accessories, etc. This is the drawer where my little brother's dresses are stored. It is a pretty simple room with not much decors and designs because I prefer it so. Hope you all like my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment Katatoli on YouTube. See you guys later and thank you so much for watching this video.